What's up, everybody? On today's episode of the tentatively titled What the Fuck Is This Thing and What Does It Do? We have an electromechanical voltage recorder. Stick around if you want to see me try to explain how it works. I think everything I've said so far is true. Don't quote me on it. And maybe figure out what to do with some of its guts. Actually turning though? Oh yeah, it is. I'm at my parents' house. And this thing that I have, whoa, dragonfly, is an old Westinghouse, I don't know. I assume it's a meter. It definitely looks like a meter. Oh, here we go. Recording A-C Voltmeter. Timing mechanism, 120 volts, 60 cycle sine. There's a lot of dead bugs in here. So, there's that. Alright, stand by. Look at this retainer washer. I've never seen one like that before. It's really cool. Oh yeah. Love me a good knurled thumb screw. Well, can't find any snips, so clock and timer department, General Electric Company. Cool. So it says C to D 3 day, B to A is 7 day, and A to B is 1 day. Gear positions. This might be a cool, like, actual timing circuit to use for a clock. Okay. I've got just a surge protector to act as a emergency cutoff switch. This thing says 120 volts, 60 cycles. That's wall power. So I'm going to believe them. We'll see. All right. Here we go. Ooh, I hear it. Is it actually turning though? Oh yeah, it is. There it goes. Well, the good news is, I'm pretty sure I can use this for a cool clock. Why not? What it's for, right? I'm gonna get the door. That was probably the wrong direction. There we go. Oh, it is the post. What am I... Oh, what's going on back here? Probably full of spiders. This is that, like, translucent purpley red plastic, too. That's cool. This is like a little crayon on here, basically. Oh, it's a marker.
That's it?
What's up? Taking stuff apart?
What is it?
It's an old voltmeter.
Oh, I was saving that part.
For what?
I have no idea. For you.
Thanks. Oh, God. It's a fun magnet. This magnet's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna leave it as a little gift for my dad. Where would it be useful? I was gonna put it here, but I think I'm gonna put it here instead. Now, or whatever.
This seemed like a great spot. Take a break and explain to the best of my ability what's going on inside here. 2 coils, copper coil here. Oh, come on, laptop, don't be dead. It's all the way bright. I barely passed electromagnetics in college the 3rd time around. Electrodynamometer. Yeah, I think I actually spelled that right. What is that? Let me redraw kind of what this looks like from a diagram view after I plug this laptop in. Okay, everything's plugged in again. So here's, fuck off teams. Line coming in, coiling around this core. That's wired in series with this core, which is also in series with our big, which is also in series with this coil on the moving piece. Draw this coming out the back. Big. And this is where, and man, it's been a while. Here's the key takeaway. Maybe don't listen to me. Maybe don't listen to me at all. The main takeaway is this. You have 2 fixed coils running around an iron core, which basically turns them into fixed electromagnets, and then you have a moving coil, which is also essentially an electromagnet with a field that is opposed by the fields produced by these 2, creating torque. That sounds about right. Jesus!
Hey, pal.
Not now, Frank.
Oh, come on, buddy. I was just gonna say, good job for planning ahead a little bit.
Oh. Well, I'm trying. It's not going.
Yeah, sure, buddy. Whatever. You're still gonna fail, and this is all a waste of time.
Anyway, that's probably enough math corner for today. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, so let's get this out onto a tray. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, there you have it. Another episode of What the Fuck Is This Thing and What Does It Do in the Can? Another poor explanation, and another pile of parts that's going to get me in trouble with my spouse. I am actually really excited to see what I can do with that timing unit. I'd really like to make a cool wall clock or something. We'll see how that goes. I'll keep you updated. And if you are interested in those updates, follow me on the socials. I'm pretty active on Instagram. Obviously follow me on here, please and thank you. And after you do all that, do me a favor and keep trying to make stuff better. I love y'all.